Okay, today I want to talk to you about how to speed up a process in Tailwind, how to write less, and for this exercise I have one div. Inside that div we have 3 divs, and in each of those divs we have the image and the text. And for example, if you start writing, you usually start writing roundness, padding and stuff like that, and then you go to, and then you copy and then paste to this to those 2 images. Then you write some styling for the paragraphs, then you copy, paste it, and you see how time that's going to spend, especially if you want to update. You then need to go back one by one and update instead of writing just once, and it should be applied to everywhere. Just for the simplicity, I'm switching to play Tailwind because it's much easier to see what I'm writing here. So what we will do this, or we can do this. It's much easier to write it here than in the Oxygen because we can have the multiple rows editing. So let's do it like this, and then around it, let's just check. Border radius, it's rounded LG, okay. Then max width, we can use this one or we can use this one, and you can see that this one is, since we are writing multiple rows, it's going to be applied. But if you are in the Oxygen, you need to go one by one, and that's a huge problem. But if you don't want to do that, there is a new option from the latest Tailwind, and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want to target the child elements, you need to use the brackets, this one, bottom line, and then let's target the image. After that we will write the rounded. Sorry, I forgot to place it in class, and you can see that it's applied right away. Let's do it like this. It's much easier to read it. And then max width, and you can see that we're targeting all the images that are child of this div. Let's now do that for the paragraph as well. Let's margin top, something like this, and then do margin bottom, something like this. And you can see how easy it is to read it, and how less you're writing, and how easier it is to edit it. So I hope you find this useful, and we will continue adding more Tailwind tutorials, so subscribe to our channel.